You're rushing out the door and realizing your conference room still looks like a war zone from last week's meeting. That cluttered whiteboard, that tangled web of cables. It's time to transform this chaotic space into a sleek, professional environment with the Yealink MeetingBar A50-031 video. This all-in-one device is packed with triple 50MP cameras, 4 built-in 5W speakers, and a 16 MEMS microphone array, giving you comprehensive video conferencing capabilities in even medium-sized rooms. Imagine being able to capture every detail of your team's discussion from every angle. That's what the MeetingBar A50-031 video delivers. The camera system is one of its standout features, with a triple eye setup offering 98 degrees wide angle and 41.6 degrees telephoto views. And with 8x digital zoom, you can get an incredibly clear shot of everyone on the call, no matter where they're sitting in the room. Plus, the electric privacy cover ensures your meeting space stays private, even when you need it most. But what really sets the MeetingBar A50-031 video apart is its audio performance. With a 10-meter voice pickup range and intelligent noise reduction technology, you'll be amazed at how crystal clear your team's conversations sound, every time. And with stereo sound output, everyone on the call will feel like they're right there in the room. Now, let's talk about some of the smart features that make this device truly special. IntelliFocus and auto-framing work together to keep all participants perfectly framed, no matter how many are on the call. Speaker tracking follows your team as they move around the room, so you never have to worry about lost connections. And with people counting capabilities, the MeetingBar A50-031 video can even estimate how many people are in the room, perfect for large meetings or conferences. In addition to its impressive specs, the MeetingBar A50-031 video is incredibly versatile. With multiple ports including HDMI out, USB, Ethernet, and line-in/out, you can mount it anywhere, on a wall, behind a TV, or even right on your desk. The result? A seamless, professional experience that adapts to any space. So what would happen if you could finally transform your conference room into a streamlined, high-tech environment without breaking the bank? That's exactly what owning the Yealink MeetingBar A50-031 video can do for you. By investing in this cutting-edge device, you'll be saying goodbye to wasted time and frustration with outdated equipment. Say hello to smoother meetings, clearer communications, and a space that looks and feels professional. Check out the link below to get the best price on the Yealink MeetingBar A50-031 video and start transforming your conference room today.